Which VPN is better? In this video, I'm going to give you a rundown on the strengths and weaknesses of both of these VPNs. And at the end of this video, I'm going to give you a rundown and my thoughts on which one is better and the reasons for why which one is better. Starting with Netbird is more of one of those virtual private networks. If you're trying to go for like zero interaction, like zero data save, basically what I'm saying is Netbird is more open source. Like it doesn't need a firewall. It doesn't need a private network. It can just like go over databases, the standards that are currently set on your computer. It can just like almost override them, but in an extremely safe way. Just like it's extremely easy to. Wireguard, some of the biggest strengths I've found is that it is exceptionally fast. Now, this is because of its minimal coin base and its efficient cryptographic technologies. Well, doing this, it's also able to keep you extremely safe, and it's completely open source, and it doesn't cost any money, which is a major plus if you're looking for a good VPN. This is a good free VPN that I highly recommend using, and it can be integrated into other tools like tailscale and just enhance the usability overall. So you can actually double up your VPNs and like put them together and make it run even flawlessly. However, the limitations, there are no management layers. Now, WireGuard protocol is not a full-fledged VPN, meaning it does have limited capabilities and management solution, which can be an issue when it comes to keys, routes, and clients. So you can't really like link all of your computers separately on different private networks in different locations if you're using this VPN, but you can use it like across one over all of those devices. So if you're running like a large business, it's probably not ideal for you. It's more ideal for like the solo individuals or just small groups of people, small businesses. And yeah, overall, it's good if you're technically proficient and need to lean for a highly performant, very fast VPN. And yeah, this is like kind of all you need to know. Those are just the highlights. And I've also made this table that I'll attach on screen right now. If you have any other questions, let me know in the comments, or other people if you find anything helpful. Kind of all you need to know. Those are just the highlights. And I've also made this table that I'll attach on screen right now. If you have any other questions, let me know in the comments, or other people if you find anything helpful.